Hello guys, today in this video I am going to show you how you can create charts that will showing you revenue, expenditure and profit yearly. I have already created some data to create a chart here. I have years, total revenue, total expenditure and total profit. Total profit comes after deducting total expenditure from the total revenue, and I want to represent this data of table in chart. And for this video I am going to use chart as 2D column, and where it will show you the total expenditure and total profit according to years. But as you can see, this chart is not having any fields because we haven't yet selected the data. And now to select the data we need to go here and press select data. Now you need to select the range, select the range here like this, and as soon as you leave your cursor it will represent the data automatically in chart. But as you can see that it is not making any sense. It's saying series, some colors and year, revenue, the total, the name I specify my columns are here. But we need to make it sensible so we can present in front of someone, and your chart should make some sense. Okay, Excel don't understand what are the field that you want to show where. Okay, we need to represent, and I want to show years here right in the bottom. Okay, so years I want to show here, so I select the year column and press edit. Now I need to select years, and these are the years I want to select. As soon as I leave my cursor it changes the field here into years 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002 right here. Okay, it's okay. I want to show years here, and instead of series 1, 2, 3 and 4 I would like to show and tell the Excel to show the name of columns according to data I have in these fields. Okay, first one is the series 1, and actually we have only 3 series and it's showing 1, 2, 3 and 4 bars, so we don't need to have a series 1. I just going and removing it. Okay, now we left with series 2. Series 2 can be our total revenue, then series 3 is our total expenditure, and series 4 is for profit, right? Actually these series names are coming just because sequentially A, B and C and T, so you can remove the first one that represent the year, because we have already represented our years here in the bottom. And now we can modify the name of series 2, and you can see the series 2 is for our total revenue, so we can type total revenue here and press OK. It's saying total revenue. Series 3 is for total expenditure, and series 4 is our total revenue, total profit that comes after deducting the profit. Okay, so now you can press OK, and now as you can see this bar chart is making some sense here, and you can tell anybody that the biggest line in the chart showing the total revenue, and the green bars are showing for total expenditure, and the blue is showing profit, and that profit and expenditure revenue in 1999 was not much of difference, but in 2000 the revenue goes way high, over 78,000, and total expenditure was around 22-24, and profit was about 54 something. So this way you can represent your total revenue, expenditure and profit yearly wise, and that make a sense. In the next video we will try to bring and show you some more extra fields that you can represent using charts. Okay, it's simple, and thanks for watching.